I have a question for you. Why do so many people say that they want to be happy, that they want to have a meaningful life, a full life, yet instead they settle for less than they deserve? They don't do the things to move the needle forward in the areas in which they say are important to them. They kind of sleepwalk through life. I'd really like to hear your opinion and your thoughts on this. What to you is a meaningful and full life? What's the things that make that come about? I'm going to share with you what I think it is, but I'd really like some feedback on this and like to know what your thoughts are, how you feel about this, or how you feel about what I'm saying. So let me start with deciding what a full life means for you. What does it mean to you? One of the biggest mistakes that I believe that people make is living according to other people's expectations instead of their own values. A full life begins when you take the time to ask yourself some honest questions. What kind of person do I want to be? What type of person do I want to become? What experiences do I want to have? What kind of impact do I want to make on others? Good questions. Because I believe that when you define your vision, you stop drifting and you start living intentionally, not just daydreaming and walking through life playing somebody else's script. A full life is not an accident. It's designed on purpose. Having goals, having milestones that you want to reach, and reaching them one by one, understanding that sometimes it's going to take you a few steps to get there, but still moving forward. Number two, investing in your growth every day. A full life is built through continuous growth. People who feel alive and fulfilled are always learning and improving and expanding their abilities. A lot of people are just stagnant, they're not moving forward. But I believe that this can be a simple and realistic way to do things. One, simply read something challenging that makes you think or that gets you thinking and challenges your mind. Two, improve your health and your physical strength. Get off the couch, stop scrolling, do a little bit of exercise, then do a little bit more each and every day, progressing and moving forward. Next, learn new skills that can improve your life and help other people. Because helping others is kind of what it's all about. Everybody's me, I. But if we all helped each other, we'd probably move ahead and move forward with our dreams and goals a lot faster. Remember that little daily improvements can impound and compound over time. When you invest in yourself, you expand your possibilities of your life. Number three, choose challenge over comfort. A lot of us would rather be comfortable than truly be successful. We'd rather be comfortable than be happy. Many people settle because comfort feels safe, but comfort zones often become invisible cages that trap us. A full life requirement to encourage is to have courage, is to move forward, to take action, to do the things that you need to do. Create a plan, create a system so that you can move forward. So you want to try new things. You want to pursue meaningful goals. You want to not only speak the truth, but speak your truth. That's another thing that's really lacking. A lot of us will speak our truth or the truth in private. Excuse me, our truth. We'll speak the truth that we want other people to hear, but we're not speaking the truth. But we'll speak it in private, but we won't speak it in public. You need to know what you want and then go for what you want and understand that there's going to be times when you have to step back. There's going to be times when you need to change your focus or you need to go in the left when you wanted to go right in order for you to get to the right. Sometimes if the road is blocked, you don't sit there until they clear it. You try to find an alternative route to get you there. And then take calculated risks. Growth, purpose, and fulfillment live outside of the comfort zone. When you choose courage, even the small way, even in small ways, even small things can help you. But even in small ways, you open up doors of opportunity, relationships, and experience that makes you and your life richer and that of those around you. So just to reflect really simply, in simple terms, define your vision for your life. Two, invest in your personal growth every day. All right. Every day you should be trying to learn something, and something that's valuable, something that's useful. Even if you learn something that's negative, now you've learned what not to do, or you've learned who not to follow, or what not to say, or what not to do. Choose courage instead of settling for comfort. A full life is not reserved for the lucky few. It truly isn't. It's being the person who is willing to live with intention and growth continuously and act with courage. Your problems aren't anybody else's responsibility but yours. Stop blaming other people for the things that haven't really gone right for you or that you feel haven't gone right for you. Use those things as lessons to learn and to grow. You guys take care of you well.